warning for Ohio County in southeastern Indiana, central Switzerland County in southeastern Indiana, eastern Carroll County, southern Boone County, northwestern Grant County, Gallatin County, until 3:30 p.m. At 2:56 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Vivi, moving east at 35 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Vivi, Warsaw, Florence, Kentucky Speedway, Glencoe, Fairview, Arga, Patriot, Center Square, Aberdeen, Big Bone Lick, Interstate 71 at U.S. Route 127, Steel Bottom, Markland, Kirkus Grove, Mount Sterling, North Landing, Jacksonville, and Egypt Bottom. This includes Interstate 71 in Kentucky between mile markers 57 and 68.